Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about it is safe to run off-road wheel spaces on your Prado. Let's go. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers has a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. The cheap spacers which using low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default the endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.